Hi and welcome. Hope Zvara here. I'm so excited that you're ready to join me in our 6-week course, Failure to Freedom. This course is specifically designed to do just that. Take you from failure and start to move you into that feeling, into those experiences of freedom. And in order to do that, we have to show up every single day to life. And so the tools in this course are specifically designed to help you do just that. So one of the biggest things with failure is people not completing things. And I will be the first to attest that. I have enrolled in so many different courses, so many different classes, bought so many different books, so many different tools, and either one, have never even opened them, or two, had kind of done them halfway. And I gotta be honest with you, enrolling in those things, buying those books, enrolling in those courses, I always thought they were going to be the quick fix. And then it was the course's fault, it was the book's fault when I didn't get the results I wanted, but inside I knew I never even completed the task. So step one in this course, Failure to Freedom, is to help you complete the course, to cross the finish line so you can reap the results of what it feels like to live in freedom. This course is specifically designed with affirmations, powerful affirmations that I need you to be listening to every single day. And then alongside of that is journaling. I have designed specific journaling pages with very specific tailored questions to the affirmations every single week. So it's vital that you take the time to reflect on your life and on your journey up to this point, where you've been and where you're going, to help you get the insight and the answers you need to make those next steps in life. And then finally, using yoga, an approachable practice and style of yoga, taking your life to the mat and offering yourself an additional insight and self-reflection. We often believe that yoga is kind of the living practice of our everyday lives. So we get to experience all of the fears, the worries, the joys, the uncertainties, where we hold our breath, where we don't, what gets under our skin, what makes us, so happy with joy on the yoga mat. So it's absolutely essential that you practice with me, every single day. And after 6 weeks, if you complete this course, if you show up every single day, I know you are going to be just a little bit farther on your journey with a little bit more clarity, and failure will be back there, and freedom will be right here, and you'll be in it. I can't wait to see you inside.